Hi guys, I'm Aaron Eller. I'm one of the partners here with Cash Offer Man. We're located in St. Charles, Missouri, outside of St. Louis, and we are a local home buying company here in St. Louis. We buy all over the St. Louis metro area and most parts of Missouri. We'll buy in Hannibal, Columbia, Jeff City, Springfield, and some parts of Kansas City. So if you are interested in selling a house of any condition, definitely give us a call and we're happy to, make you an offer and see if it works. And if it doesn't, you at least know what your property is worth to us. And if you can't sell it later or whatever, you at least have that in your back pocket. So we truly care about homeowners and trying to help the local community. Our entire team is local here in St. Louis. So definitely give us a call and at 314-912-4939. Today we're talking about, buying a house that is a tear down. So if you have a house and you're trying to sell it and it's a tear down, it's in needs major structural overhaul. Maybe it had a massive, fire damage. Maybe it, got through a tornado. Obviously, we do get tornadoes, and we've had several severe ones in the past. But most likely it's probably not a recent tornado, thankfully. But no matter the situation, even if it was somehow a hurricane, obviously that's not going to happen here in Missouri. But no matter what the situation is, we're able to buy properties no matter the condition, even if it's a tear down. So definitely give us a call or head to our website at cashofferman.com. Obviously with these type of properties, we're not going to be able to tell you what it's worth, over the phone. We're going to have to come out and look at it. But obviously if it's a complete tear down and non-salvageable, then we would still be buying it for the lot. And, that, is not really determined on what the house is like, but just, location and size of the lot and everything. So either way, we're able to buy any sort of property here in St. Louis and surrounding areas. Once again, I'm Aaron Eller. I'm a partner here at Cash Offer Man, and we truly thank you guys for giving us the opportunity to earn your business here in St. Louis, Missouri. I hope you guys all have a blessed day and a great rest of your 2025.